Good morning everyone. I am Abhishek from BCA 4th and Batch 2 and today I am going to show you how to implement join in MySQL. And for this I have created food order database, and inside this database I have created two tables, that is customer and another is order. And the order, in the customer table I have created two columns, that is first one is customer ID and another is name. And in order I have created three columns. First one is the order ID and second one is the CID, that represent customer name, customer ID who is or placed a complete order, and this is the items of the order. So here is the table, that this is the order table, and this is the customer table. Now I'm going to perform the inner join. So inner join return the common value, common rows from the table. So it returns the common value, like only 3, 1, 3 and 5 from out of 5. And if I want to see only the customer name along with the item name, then we will do. So here it represents only the customer ID and item name. Now I'm going to use left join. In the left join, it returns all the left rows and plus the matching column from the right row, right table. So here it will give customer name and the item name and all the customer name from the left table, that is the customer table, and item from the order, matching only. Now I'm going to use the right join. In right join, it will give uh, all the rows from the right table and plus matching from the left table. So here it will give all the rows from the left table and only the matching column from the right table. And now I'm going to use the full join. We cannot directly use full join, but we can use union instead. So here it is the full join. Now if I want to see the customer who has not placed any order, then